What's up, dude? Hi, this is Nir from Novisign Digital Signage, and today I'm going to show you senior community digital signage. It's a kind of digital signs which you can put, hang, or mount in your senior community facility. So, what do we see here? We have a couple of elements on this screen. We see the RSS feed with news, a clock, and here's some slideshow showing us some kind of events. So if I'd like to learn about the events, I'll just push the events button, and here I can just cycle between the events from one to another, just like that. If I'd like to see a map of the facility, I'll press the map. Now maybe I'd like to play some golf, so this is all about the golf we have here, and say that I'm hungry. Let's see what options do we have here. So I can just cycle between the dining options which I have here. I can also get back to the home screen, and I think this makes everything more accessible in the senior community facility. So if you'd like to learn some more about Novisan digital signage and also senior community digital signage, please visit our website at www.novisign.com. Thank you for watching.